Hello guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete applications on iPhone. So basically, what you want to do is that you want to look for the application that you want to delete. So basically, to delete an application, you just need to hold and press the application, and it is actually going to show you these options right here. So to delete the application, you need to click on remove right here, and then it's going to give you another option again. So the first option right here is delete the application, which will completely delete the application from your phone. The second option right here is removing the application from your home screen. So basically what it does is, you just remove the application from your home screen, but you can actually find the application whenever you want to use it. So if you click and remove from your home screen, as you can see, we do not have the application right here. But if you want to use it, we just need to do this, and then is going to show you the search bar. And if we search for the application, just gonna search for the application. As you can see, if you look at the top right there, this is our application. So basically, it will just remove the application from the home screen, but we can actually find it, and we can actually use it. So if you want to take it back, just need to hold it, and then just need to drag it on the screen again, and then we just gonna click like this. Now we want to delete the application. What you need to do, you press the application again, and then you click on remove app, then you click on delete application. So if you click on right here, and then it's going to give you this notification, so you need to confirm and click on delete. So basically guys, our application is gone. So now, if we just try to search for it, so it's no longer there. So which means the application has been completely deleted. The application has been completely deleted out of phone. So this is it guys. This how you can actually delete an application on your iPhone.